Hey guys, I'm Wes and welcome back to my channel. So this week, I make a push stick for my table saw. If you want to see how I made it, stick around. So for this push stick, I thought it'd be kind of cool if it looked like a revolver. Here I have my Dan Wesson. It's pretty cool. It takes these cool little shells that you load a BB in the top. It's a fun little plinker. It's kind of cool. But I thought it'd be kind of cool to make a push stick in the shape of a revolver. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to lay this on here and I'm going to trace it out and then I'm going to cut it out on a scroll saw. Now that I have the shape cut out that I want, it feels great in the hands. It's nice and comfortable. So now I am going to cut out my trigger and the hammer, and then I'm going to cut a piece of wood to simulate the barrel. And I'm going to stick it on there and glue everything on. Let's go ahead and trace them on this piece of walnut, and we'll cut it out on the scroll saw. Next, I'm going to trace out the hand grips. I think I am just going to do this. We'll cut that out and then we'll sand it down. Now, this is not completely necessary, but I think it's going to make the walnut look nice. I am going to add a couple coats of wipe-on poly. Should make it look really nice. Oh yeah. I don't know why I do it, but I always tend to overdo things. Look at that walnut pop. Oh, I love the contrast. This birch. Okay, I'll let that dry overnight. Tomorrow I'll do another coat. So it's all done now. Did 3 coats of polyurethane on this. So let's head to the table saw and we'll see how it works. Well, there you have it. It works and it looks good too. It looks almost like the real thing, except it's made from wood. Well, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and also please hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video. And like always, we'll see you in the next one. Pew!